Today I'm going to talk to you about two verbs which are often confused. They are lie and lay. Let's begin with the verb lie. The verb lie has got two meanings. The first meaning is to say something untrue. For example, he lies to me every day. You can't believe what she's saying because she lies every time. The mirror never lies. So the meaning of the verb lie is to tell a lie or to say something untrue. The past tense of this verb lie is lied. So we should say, I lied to the teacher yesterday. She lied to him when she said she loved him. The thief lied to the police. The witness lied to the judge. The present tense is lie, past tense is lied. Past participle is also lied. Example, I have lied to my friends. She has lied to her mother. The thief has lied to the police. The witness has lied to the judge. Now let's look at the present participle. That is lying. The spelling is Lying. For example, she is lying to me. He is lying to his father. She is lying to the teacher. The thief is lying to the judge. The witness is lying to the policeman. So the first form is lie, Lie. The second form is lied, Lied. The third form is also lied, and the present participle, that is our fourth form, is lying, Lying. The second meaning of the verb lie is to be down or to be flat, to be in a horizontal position on a surface, or to be in a particular state. For example, she lies in bed all the time. The book lies on the table. The land that lies along the coast is highly fertile. The hills lie behind us. The past tense of this verb is lay, Lay. So the present tense is Lie, lie. Past tense is lay. For example, he lay in bed throughout the day. She lay in the mud last night. The past participle of this verb is lain, Lain. How do you use it in a sentence? He has lain on the sofa. She has lain in bed. He has lain in the mud. I would have lain on the desk. So lie, present tense. Lay, past tense. Lain is a past participle. But the present participle is lying. For example, she is lying in bed. She is lying on the sofa. The cat is lying on the table. The dog is lying in the mud. So lie, present tense. Past tense is lay. What is the meaning of the verb lie here? Lie. The verb lie means to be flat or to be down. If this is the meaning of the verb lie, then the past tense is lay, past participle is laying, and the present participle is lying. Now just think about the first meaning. If the verb lie means to say something untrue, then the past tense becomes not lay but lied. He lies to me, he lied to me. Past participle is lied. He has lied to me. But when the same verb means to be down or to be flat, then the past tense becomes lay and the past participle becomes lain. He lies in bed. He lay in bed. He has lain in bed. But the present participle is the same. He is lying to me, or he is lying in bed. So in both the places, we can use lying. The difference is seen in the past tense and past participle. When you use the verb lie to mean to say something untrue, then the past tense is lied. Past participle is lied. But when you use it to mean to be down or to be flat, past tense becomes lay and the past participle becomes laid. But the present participle is a same for both. I began by telling you that there are two verbs which are often confused. They are lie and lay. I have explained to you how lie is used to mean two different things. Now let's move on to the second verb, that is lay. L-A-Y. What does lay mean? Lay means to put down something carefully somewhere. Remember that? The word lie, when it means to be flat or to be down, takes lay in the past tense. That lay is different. But here, the word lay is present tense. What does it mean? To put something carefully. For example, he lays a report on the table. She lays her bag on the sofa. The mother lays a child on the bed. She is very careless. Sometimes she lays a child on the sofa. She lays her watch somewhere and forgets about it. So lay means to put down something carefully somewhere. The past tense of this verb is laid. So lay, present tense, laid is past tense, and the past participle is also laid. For example, he laid the report on the table. She has laid it on the table. He has laid it on the sofa. She has laid it on the bed. They have laid the things on the teapot. They have laid the plates on the dining table. So laid means put down. Lay, present tense. Laid, past tense. Laid, past participle as well. But the present participle here is laying. The mother is laying the plates on the table. She is laying the child on the bed. He is laying the books on the table. She is laying her bag on the desk. So laying, putting down. Lay, put down. Laid, past tense, put down. Laying, putting down. To sum up, the verb lie has got two meanings. The first one is to tell a lie or say something untrue. The present tense is lie, past tense is lied, the third form is lied, and the fourth form is lying, L-Y-I-N-G. But when it means to be down, to be flat, or to be in a horizontal position, or to exist in a state, present tense is lie, past tense is lay, the third form is laying, the last form is lying. So the first one, lie, lied, lied, lying, L-Y-I-N-G. When the verb has got the second meaning, that is to be down, present tense is lie, past tense is lay, the third form is laying, and the fourth form is lying. Lie, lay, laying, and lying. First one, lie, lied, lied, and lying. Now the second verb, lay. The verb lay means to put down something carefully. Present tense is lay, past tense is laid, the third form is also laid, and the present participle is laying, L-A-Y-I-N-G.